In this quick lesson, I want to give you a behind-the-scenes peek at how Babel transpiles our JSX code into regular JavaScript. So here I am at babeljs.io, which is the official website for Babel, and you do not have to follow along if you don't want to. But the cool thing about this website is there's this special feature on the menu called Try It Out, and it loads this editor in your browser that allows you to paste any code you want here on the left-hand side, and then the website will show you the resulting transpiled code that Babel will generate on the right-hand side. Now, on the left-hand side, we have a whole bunch of options here, and I've made sure to check React under preset because remember, JSX is part of React. So what we're doing here is telling Babel that it should recognize React code, i.e. it should recognize JSX, and thus it will be able to transpile it. So I'm going to hide this menu, and all I'm going to do in this box on the left is paste the exact same code that we wrote in VS Code in the previous lesson. So once again, there it is. There are our two constants, title and subtitle, and they're each assigned to a chunk of JSX. We'll take a look at what happened on the right-hand side. We have the resulting generated transpiled JavaScript that Babel created for us. Notice that behind the scenes, all this is a call to a special method on the React library called createElement. Now, at this juncture, it's not important to understand what createElement does and what its arguments represent. We will talk more about this in greater depth in a whole section later on in the course, but this is just to demonstrate the idea that we've been talking about the last couple lessons, that all this code is just JavaScript functions under the hood. Right? So Babel will literally show us this in the browser. And if you ever want to see, out of curiosity, what your VS Code JSX will evaluate to, you can always easily go to this website and paste it right here just to see. Once again, not important to understand the mechanics or the semantics, just important to understand exactly what JSX is under the hood. It is an abstraction. It is a convenience for us. Under the hood, it is all regular JavaScript. That's all there is to cover in this lesson, so I will see you in the next one.